So this week, Dancehall was center stage. Videos leaked and lots more. But let's see what made the Intense 5.
Number 5.
Who allowed Sidem to sneak up on Addy? She just popped up like a ninja and he was speechless. Remember, you turned him in a one burner, so don't stress.
Number 4.
Barclays came alive when Killer touched the stage. He was so happy and we're so happy for him. Great performances by his dancehall friends, and even though Dexter nearly dropped off the stage, we're sure he wouldn't even have hit the ground.
3.
Kanye seems to be heading down a familiar path similar to his BFF Diddy. He is facing new allegations of sexual assault and sex trafficking from a former employee. She has accused Ye of assault, battery, sex trafficking, stalking, and false imprisonment, among other allegations. Wow.
Number 2.
So Cardi deleted a bunch of IG pics with Stefan, so of course rumors started flying. However, he posted them working out in the gym. We don't really know if they're on or off, but one thing we know for sure, we'll soon find out. They're definitely not off. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, and yet another tape has surfaced, this time with a star baller. Oh boy. After deleting all his socials, he has resurfaced on social media with his family, so take that. That's it for the Intense 5. There's so much going on, and if you want to know, just hit up our IG page at TVJ Intense. Up next, Taurus and Richie hold a reason, and Taurus tells us what he has planned for Sumfest after a 9-year hiatus. I can't wait. We'll soon come.